Hey guys, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for generating leads across various niches. Here's an example of how to utilize ChatGPT for lead generation. First of all, craft a personalized outreach message. Personalized communication can significantly enhance engagement with potential leads. By providing ChatGPT with specific details about your target audience, you can generate tailored messages that resonate with them. So, let's say we're gonna add input to ChatGPT, right? Create a personalized outreach email for small business owner in the health and wellness industry, highlighting how our digital marketing service can enhance their online presence. So I'm gonna just go ahead and send it right here, right? Dear the recipient's name. I hope this message finds you well as small business owner in health and wellness industry. You know the importance of connecting with your audience to inspire healthier lifestyle. Only get to see, of course, the details, right? And by leveraging ChatGPT to create such personalized messages, you can efficiently reach out to numerous potential leads in your niche, whether that was in health and wellness industry or in basically content creation or digital marketing, whatever that might be for you. You can by simply asking ChatGPT to generate input to send or to craft your own personalized outreach messages. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.